What's up, YouTube? So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be installing some carbon fiber mirror caps from Extremeonlinestore on my new 2019 Ctsv. So got the carbon fiber mirror caps right here, and I'm basically going to be doing an install video on how to install them and show you the whole process. So yeah, stay tuned. Shout out Extremeonlinestore. They were packaged up really nice. Quality is very nice. Might have to ceramic coat them. So first step I'm going to do is I'm going to tape this, and then I'll tape this part just so when I use these tools right here I don't scratch this part up. And then I want to protect the mirror. Now that I got this taped off, I'm gonna use these tools right here. Basically pop it off. Just wanted to protect this right here. Didn't want to scratch the paint. And yeah, let's pop it off. So now, pop the mirror off. Got to disconnect the wires. Once all the plugs are disconnected, this comes off, and then we can start loosening these right here. Should be a T10, so we have to loosen all of those. You'll see there's one right here, one right there. There is the one in the back, and then these two right there. Got my T10. Just gotta loosen these. Once all the screws are loose, they should just pop off like that. And bam. The last screw you need to loosen is right there, and that should make the mirror cap loose. So let me loosen this. All right, so once the last screw is loose, you're able to remove this, but you're going to have to disconnect this plug right here. Bam. Move the wire. Wires out. Then next step is to remove these, but you have to be careful because these clips are facing each other, so you're going to have to do the inside clip first to loosen it up, and then this will pop out, because if you break it you're gonna have to buy the whole new setup, and they don't sell just this part by itself. Now I'm going to loosen the turn signal so I can get the chrome piece out. There we go. Now we have the chrome part that we need to remove and mount that to the carbon fiber piece. But before we do that, we should thread these into the actual carbon fiber mirror cover. That way we're not forcing it through. Okay, so once this clip is removed, it'll be easier to remove the other one because it just slides over. And there you go. Before we mount it, I'm going to thread some of the T10 screws. That way it doesn't fight me when I'm trying to mount it all together. Alright, so now that we have the holes partially threaded, I'm going to put the chrome piece back on. Alright, both clips are in now, and then we can start putting everything back together. Okay, once that's in, we're going to connect the turn signal again. Got it all the way screwed in now. Next step is going to be putting the wire back behind this clip. Okay, now that the wire's pushed through the clip, we're going to connect it back to here. Bam. And then start putting everything back together. Alright, so had to make sure that screw was in. Okay, so I got the screw in the back. Now we're mounting this piece on. Have to line up all the holes. Alright, you can see all the screws are connected. Next step is to basically grab the mirror, connect all the wires. Gotta take the tape off, and then finished product. And before I push it on, I'll remove all this tape. So I'm gonna push it on, but I gotta make sure none of the wires are in the way. That's it. Don't mind all the fingerprints. There's a finished product. As you can see right here, there's not a whole lot of gap. So fits just like OEM. Yeah, it looks really nice.